Hey guys, welcome to another episode of El Jefe's Chop Shop. So this week's a little bit of a different one. I've been working a lot lately, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to make any content. So this weekend I went to a car show, and this car show revolves around the idea of the worst car. So Reliant Robin, they always fell over, they've got a really bad knack for tipping over. So there's all sorts of stuff like that, and a whole bunch of really weird and wacky cars from around the world. And then the other half of it was what they called the billet section, which was the hot rods and the lead sleds and all that sort of stuff. So I went and saw that with my friends Jackson and Rain and Emily and I, of course. Then we went to the Queen's Head Hotel and had some lunch. They got a really good wood-fired pizza. And then after that, we stopped in at a pet shop in Adelaide called Pets Everywhere and looked at all the reptiles and tried to convince Emily not to buy any of them, which was successful this time, but I don't see that lasting too long. And then that's it for this week. I've got a small update on the 30k challenge. So I had $9, spent $6 on 2 iced coffees and swapped them for a cross member and some caster brackets. So I've sold the caster brackets for $43. So I now have $46 in the till. And while I was doing that, I found a pair of K10 guards that I'm going to keep for myself, and they're an absolute bargain. So stay tuned. This episode's a little bit different to normal, but we'll be back on track next week when I've got a bit more time. So as you can imagine, with the $30 challenge, I spent a lot of time looking on Marketplace and Gumtree for good deals, and that's when these popped up. So these are K10 guards. Now they're a bit rusty, as you can see. There's a huge hole here, huge hole there, but they're very straight, so they would be good to repair. So I've got 2 K10s, so I've got a K10 and a K16, so these will fit on both. So I got these for $15 each, so 30 bucks for the pair. Just gave them a pressure wash, and they're reasonably solid, other than the bottom section, which is always the first to go. So that was a good deal. And this A86 4-age cross member that I bought last week for $6, that's apparently sold tomorrow, so we'll see how we go there.
Chuki Beats. Chuki Beats.
Hopefully you stuck out the whole episode, and thanks for watching. You'll have a shop shop.